Lemonade Insurance Review. Watch before using. Most people get insurance wrong. They assume it's slow, confusing, and expensive. The surprising truth about Lemonade is that it combines AI-driven policies with fast claims processing, and you won't believe how quickly you can get coverage. Here's how it works. Lemonade offers renters, homeowners, pet, and life insurance through a digital-first platform. You can get a quote in minutes, customize coverage, and purchase a policy entirely online. AI handles underwriting and even claims approval in many cases, dramatically speeding up the process. For example, a renter could have their policy active within minutes and even file a claim via the app, sometimes receiving payout within hours. Most people get this wrong. They assume insurance companies are slow, but Lemonade leverages technology for efficiency and transparency. Additional features include flat fees, giving leftover premiums to causes of your choice, instant claim status updates, and simple policy management. Users praise the simplicity, low friction, and ethical approach compared to traditional insurers. However, there are considerations. Coverage is limited to the types and amounts offered, and some complex claims may still require manual review. Most people assume online insurance is risky, but Lemonade is licensed and regulated, offering legitimate protection. In conclusion, Lemonade is ideal for tech-savvy consumers who want fast, transparent, and easy to manage insurance with a socially conscious twist. Subscribe for more honest reviews of insurance and financial services.